Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, then you probably know that some of my most popular videos are about all the different ways that I've tried to make money. And so I have some videos that I made in the past that are like 9 different ways that I actually make money or that I've tried to make money in the past. And it seems like you guys are really interested in hearing about my experience with trying different strategies for making money or my experience with running different businesses. Now, what I want to share with you guys today is that I make money in a lot fewer ways than I used to, and that's mostly because I've realized that there's some ways that I made money that were a lot more efficient so that I was able to work less and make more money, and then others that were taking a lot of my time but weren't really being all that profitable. So I've narrowed down the different strategies that I use to make money, and now I'm really only focusing on those that make me the most money with the least amount of time. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today, the 4 ways that I now make money. Now, clearly, I don't have to point out that that is more ways of making money than your average person has, but that's a really good thing because that means that my income is more diversified. So if anything were to happen to 1 or even 2 of my different income streams, I would still be able to support myself. And that makes me feel so much more secure and confident in my income, and it means that I'm able to be more relaxed and not so stressed out. So let's get into it. Let me share with you the 4 different ways that I make money. Now, let's talk about the most obvious one first, the one that you're all aware of, and that is that I make money with my YouTube videos, specifically from the ad revenue. So when you watch one of my videos, YouTube might show you an ad, and if they show you the ad and you click on the ad, then the advertiser pays YouTube some money, and I get half that money. Now, if you're thinking about making money in this way yourself, just be aware that different niches on YouTube, different categories of videos make different amounts of money on average. So for example, I make videos in the business, marketing, personal development categories on YouTube, and I earn between $5 and $10 per 1,000 views that I get. And just so we're clear, I'm not making money based on the views, but based on the views, I get an average number of clicks on those ads, so I'm able to make an average amount of money per 1,000 views. But there are other categories on YouTube that make either more, some as high as about $20 per 1,000 views, or a lot less, some as low as only about $1 per 1,000 views. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you are thinking about making money with YouTube. Okay, so the second type of income that I make is course sales. So I create online courses, which are educational content, videos, PDFs that people can buy to learn specific skills. I used to make these courses all on my own, but once I realized how profitable it was, I realized that I needed help to be able to produce more and better courses so that we could increase our revenue. And so at this point, I have several team members who are helping me with this aspect of my business. But I just want you to know that if you are interested in making an online course yourself, I made my first several courses with absolutely no help whatsoever, so you can do it on your own, even if you don't have staff to help you out. And then let's talk about how much money I make from these online courses. We sell our courses for anywhere between $100 and $1,000, and we keep 100% of that revenue. So for the average course sale, perhaps we make $500, and then of course my business has some overhead expenses. So it's kind of hard to give you an amount of money that we make from these courses because when we launch a new course, we make tens of thousands of dollars from that course launch. But then after time goes on and we're not actively launching the course, then those course sales drop off significantly so that we're only making a couple sales per month until we launch the course again, and then we make tens of thousands of dollars again. Producing online courses earns a very large part of the revenue of my business, but it certainly is something where you do have to put some work in order to keep those sales coming in. Right now in my business, we're working on building some evergreen funnels. The evergreen funnel is a system that when someone expresses interest in the course, perhaps they join the waitlist, that then they get a series of emails and they get sent to different videos to guide them towards purchasing the product. So that's something that's kind of new in my business. We're building a few of them right now, and it's going really well so far, but it's also a work in progress. So in the future, if you guys want to see a video on the process that we're using to build them or the results that we're getting from those funnels, then let me know because it's something that I am finding really interesting and I would love to talk more about that. Okay, let's move on and talk about the next way that I make money in my business, and that is with my membership site. So I run a program called Startup Society, which is an online membership program for online entrepreneurs, people who right now perhaps are working day jobs or they're freelancers, but they want to build it into something more. They want to be able to produce a full-time income from online, and they need a little bit of support to actually make that happen. They need some education, and they need some support from other entrepreneurs, people who have already been there and have accomplished what they want to accomplish. So they need that community, and maybe they need some mentorship. And so inside Startup Society, they get all those things, and in order to get access to that content and those connections, they pay a monthly membership fee. Now, Startup Society membership, we keep it really affordable. I'm not going to say an exact price because we're actually in the process of raising the rates a little bit because we realized we're giving a lot of value for a very small price. We're raising it a little bit, but we're going to keep it affordable. But when we first launched, we got 300 members in the first time, then we launched again, we got 500 members, and so we're about to launch again, and we're anticipating welcoming in 1,000 new members, so I'm really excited about that. But Startup Society brings in about $15,000 to $20,000 per month, which obviously is a very significant portion of my income. In fact, it's the largest chunk of my income. Now, of all the ways that I earn money online, I would say that running a membership site is my favorite because it does earn us the most money, and it allows us to impact the lives of so many people because we can keep that membership rate so affordable. So I just love that balance there where we're able to help people so well, but we're also able to make a lot of money in the process, but not have to charge people very much because we are serving them in a large group. Okay, so let's talk about the last way that I make money online, and that is with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when there's another company that sells a product and you sign up to be their affiliate, which means basically that you'll be a salesperson for them. So you will promote their product, and then for every sale that you drive, you get a percentage of the revenue that they earn. Now, there are tons of companies out there that have affiliate programs that you can sign up for if you want to work with them in this way, and I've tried quite a few different affiliate programs, but not nearly as many as I might have tried, simply because I personally have a really strict rule that I only work with companies as an affiliate if they are products that I have used and I really like, and I like them so much that I continue to use them. So it's not just like a company sent me something in the mail and I tried it out and I'm like, oh, this works, and then I promote it, but it's actually a product that I'm buying over and over again and continuing to use. So the companies that right now I'm working with as an affiliate are ConvertKit, which is the email marketing software that I use that I love, Teachable, which is an online course platform that I use and love. Also the Adobe products, I use Photoshop, I use Premiere. Such good products, absolutely top of the line, no qualms about promoting them at all because I know that anyone who uses those products will love them. I also promote SiteGround sometimes, which is the web host that I use, just works really well and it's affordable. And Amazon.com's affiliate program is really different than all the other ones because you only get a tiny percentage, but you can promote any product on their entire site. So I'm in their affiliate program so that I can promote specific products. Normally they're physical items if I am sharing an item with you guys. Now at this point, my business earns a couple $1,000s every month from affiliate marketing, and this is definitely not one of our main streams of income, but it is very passive. Now I choose to not make this the main focus of my business because there are other ways that we can make money that are a lot more profitable, and so I want to focus our efforts on those. However, if there's a product that I use and love and want to share with my audience anyway, seems like a no-brainer to use the affiliate code so we get a little bit of a kickback. Okay, so those are the 4 different ways that I make money online. Just to recap real quick, I make money from the YouTube ads, I make money from selling courses, I make money from running my membership site, and from affiliate marketing. Each of them earn me a very different amounts of money. The ones that make me the most money are those course sales and the membership platform. The ones that make me the least are the YouTube ad revenue and the affiliate marketing. However, those are also the very easiest, and so we continue to do them. So before you go, I want to share just a couple more things with you real quick. The first is just a question. I'm curious, do you make any money online? And if so, how? Leave me a comment down below and tell me about it, because I'm really curious to know if people who are watching this video already make money online, or if you're just interested in finding out about it. And if you do fall into that second camp, you don't make money online yet, let me know which of these different ways that I make money sound the most interesting to you and the most like something that you might actually want to try out. The other thing that I want to share with you guys is that I put together a little guide that walks you through the 8 different main ways to make money online so that you can get an idea of how profitable each of them could be and how much work is involved with each of them. So if you're interested in starting making money online yourself, then check the description down below for a link to download that free guide, The 8 Ways to Make Money Online. Okay, and then one more thing before you go, and that was that I wanted to tell you about a book that I read recently, because I read a lot of books and some of them are really amazing and really helpful and have a big impact on my life, and some of them I feel were a waste of my time. But I want to do more book reviews for you guys, tell you about some of the books that I've read and whether or not I think you should read them and what I learned from them, but I'm not sure if they really merit whole videos. So first of all, question for you, do you want to see book review videos? Should I put a whole bunch of books into one video, maybe quarterly, or should I just at the end of videos tell you about books that I've read recently? Yeah, let me know what you want to see. But I'm going to tell you about a book today because why not? This book is called Play Bigger, and it is a book about creating bigger companies, not just creating tiny little companies in big niches, being a small fish in a big pond, but about being a big fish in perhaps a small pond. And so the book talks about something called category design, which is a concept that the authors actually kind of created themselves. And so basically the idea is that you're defining the category that your business is in, and then you are dominating that category. So obviously every business is in a specific industry, and even within that, a very specific category. And in some categories, the playing field is really even, there's lots of competitors, but in a lot of categories, there's one main category king that really dominates the market. And so, for example, in the ride-sharing category, Uber is the category king. Or in the DSLR camera category, Canon is the category king. Or in the tissue industry, Kleenex is the category king. It's the name that when you hear the name of that company, you automatically think of that product that is that key player in the category. And sometimes you even use the name of that product as synonymous with the type of product itself. Like you might say, can I have a Kleenex? And you really mean, can I have a tissue? What this book talks about is how to create your own category so that you can dominate that category and actually take the biggest part of the market share. So this book will be interesting to you if you run your own business or you're thinking about starting a business and you don't just want to get lost in a sea of competition. The book also talks about how you can use the same principles to define yourself in your career so that you can create positions for yourself in companies that you would like to work for instead of just competing with the other candidates for the positions that already exist. So would I recommend the book? Yes, I would recommend the book. I found it really interesting. It was written in a really engaging, entertaining style, a really light read, but I also learned some things from it that have really helped me in my business already. So like I said, let me know if you want to see more book reviews, if you want to see them at the ends of videos like this, or if you want to see them in their own videos. Let me know what you want to see. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, enjoyed hearing about the different ways that I now make money online, how it's really narrowed down a whole lot. If you are new to my channel, then please click that subscribe button down below so that you can join us for the next video. I make 2 videos every single week all about entrepreneurship, success, and personal development, and I would love it if you joined us for the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you are having a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.